Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all, and this time I'm going to show you all of my paintings that I've done till now. So the first thing is the A3 size paintings, and these paintings are done on A3 size paper. As you can see, this one I already made a video. I'll put a link over here for this, and let's just see all this painting. This is very intricate painting. It took me a lot of time to finish it. There's a lot of designs in the border which took a lot of efforts and a lot of time for my side, and this painting is my favorite. This is known as a Kangra painting, and I tried to make a queen with lots of jewels and all. This is a Maduini painting, as I have already made a video. I'll put a link over here for this, and just keep going. There's a lot actually. This is called as a Kangra painting, and these are done in Buddhism, and mostly I guess in Nepal side and Tibetan people, they do a lot of Kangra painting. This is green Tara, Devi green Tara. So this is a very beautiful artwork. You need to check it out on the internet. This one again, I made a video of this. If you can check out the link, I'll put a link over here for you guys. And some of you, I posted a lot of my stories on my channel, so I showed few of my work. So you guys were telling me to make a whole video of it. Few of them requested me to make a video of it, so there it is. This is my Ganesha painting that I did a while ago, and I didn't make a video of it, but I was considering to make a video, but I didn't get a time actually. And now I'm going to show you all my Maduini paintings. Actually there are more, but I didn't show it all here. Most of them I think you have already seen me painting here on my channel. I'll put a link over here for you guys. This is a Durga Ma painting that I did, and this is few of my previous Madhubani painting that I when I started painting them, and there was a lot of old paintings, and I think you have already seen few of them, and some of you requested me to make a video on this as well. But I don't make a lot of Madhubanis because I think most of my viewers I don't think they like Madhubani that much. Some of them wants to see mandalas and some of them wants to see zentigals, but I'm still figuring it out what you guys want. So I'll try to make more and more videos. I'll put all the links over here. You can check out my links to see if you want to check the video out for all these paintings, some of them which I have already made a video on my channel. So let's keep going. These are few traditional paintings that I did in my free time, and I love this kind of painting. I was trying few different folk arts that are there in India, and this is from Kalamkari and Pattachitra. This is not exactly traditional Pattachitra, but it was you can say I took a lot of inspiration from that. I'll put a link of this also over here. And this is again a Kangra art, and which is not exactly, does not look exactly like a Kangra art, which is, the Kangra art is much prettier than this one. And as you can see, I tried my best to create one, but anyhow, okay, so there are some which I don't like that much, so I don't show it that much on my page. But as you guys request, I want to show all of the painting that I did till now. So let's keep going. So I'll put a link over here for you guys. This is a Pattachitra. So this one are Pattachitra Kalamkari painting, and as you can see, look at the pillars. I did a lot of work on this. I took a lot of time. I can't make paintings of some of the paintings because they take a lot of time, and I can't keep making paintings every time under the camera, which is very much difficult for me after my son was born. So that's why I'm taking it slowly. And so this one is my favorite that I did, and I post all these on my Instagram. If you want to check out my Instagram paper page, please go on the art geek. I'll put a link over here for you guys. And see, there's my son. Okay, so let's move on. There are a lot of paintings that I guess I have, and they are mostly on the loose paper. Sometimes I paint on my, the drawing books, and sometimes on my canvas as well. I think I showed a video of my canvas painting as well, but I'll make another video for that. So there's a lot of traditional Indian design paintings, because I love that folk art, traditional Indian folk art, so that's why I have a lot of them. Okay, so moving on to the patterns. So these are some basic very simple floral patterns that I did in my free time, and I think most of them are some of them I covered there in my channel as well. You can see the videos. I'll put a link of every video that I have from these. And okay guys, so this was my today's video. I know you want to see some tutorials, but I am still figuring out what do you guys want. If you want to see some any particular painting from here, please do comment below. I'll make a tutorial of that video as well, and let me know what you want to see me painting more often, and that will be a huge help for me. Thank you guys, so keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a huge thumbs up if you like my paintings. And if you want to see me doing some particular painting, please do comment below. Until then, bye bye, see you next week.